In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can set up a two-step verification for your Gmail. So it's very much simple and easy. Let me show you guys how to do this. So you can do this on a PC and you can also do this on your mobile phone. So if you're using a PC, follow me. So here you just need to tap on this side here to move to your account. So just tap on there for it to load and you can see your account here. You just move to your Gmail account manager. That's where I want to go. So if you can't find this on your PC, you can just tap that and you are going to get here. So on here, let's slide this here. If you are using a PC, you are going to see all that. But then on a mobile phone, you need to slide and then you move to your security. Good. So on your security, just scroll down here and you're going to see this two-step verification here. So you just tap on that here. You need to confirm it's you and then go on and change it. Okay, so just like I said, I need to enter my password before they give me the chance to do that. Here, that's it. So here you can see I've already added a phone number here. To delete it, I just tap on this to delete it and then I add a second backup verification phone number. So let me add that here by tapping on that. So I enter the phone number, I receive a text to confirm the phone number is mine and I'm good to go. So this is also the two-step verification here. By turning it on, you can choose your email, you can choose your phone number too as well. You get it? So you can see I've chosen the phone number here. You can choose a backup code. I don't want to generate that. Let me come back. But then you can use your phone number. You can use a Gmail. You can use a phone prompt, which if you lose your phone, you're not going to get it. So the Authenticator, you're going to download a different app to, use it to verify yourself anytime you want to log inside. But then you can also use a Gmail, just like I said. Let me show you guys how to do that. So now let me scroll down here and show you guys. So this is a recovery Gmail. So anytime you lose your account, you can even use this Gmail to get into your account. So that's it on how you can set up a two-step verification on your Gmail account. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any question, kindly let me know in the comment section. I'm going to do well to give you guys an answer. That's it for the video. Peace.